everybody, welcome to Pro Wolf Studio. My name is John Berrien, and I am a solo game developer and indie developer. So I just created my first beta build of my game, Stranded Island, The Government's Secrets. Now I know you can't really see that there because of my webcam, but it's this big title here. So this is Stranded Island, The Government's Secrets. So we can either just fully quit the game right away. Of course, like I said, this is beta, so I'm just focusing more on functions and having a basic look. But my goal at the end is it's gonna be all smoothed out. So let me click play. So you start here in this little island, considering it's Stranded Island. Now, ultimately, the good goal is to get through this portal. There's going to be letters that you pick up and stuff when I take care of the inventory system. So, obviously, this is a big island, and right now there's no system in place to keep you from getting lost as you're going through this island. And so as you see in the distance when I jump, occasionally, it's not rendered in yet, but you can occasionally see it kind of pop up. But here it is. Once you get into a portal, it's going to teleport you here. Like I said, the whole goal of this game is that there's a secret government project that's we uncovered on after a big boat wreck. I might put in a wrecked boat concept. And I put it to highest because it's an anti-cheat measure, because there's no way you can get up there. Not without going into the code and changing the gravity and the jump height. If you set enough jump height, you can get up there easily. I don't know if I'll make that as an official settings for the jump height part of it. I definitely will make a setting where you can adjust your speed. The character controller right now with the way it goes down hills is kind of raggedy. It just kind of bounces. Obviously, this is not realistic, but the whole point is just, like I said, I'll eventually try to smooth it out by changing the gravity in certain settings. I just primarily used a asset store thing for the island. I did not make this island myself. Now I gotta find my old portal. Definitely not here, because I put it where you can't see that. But I went the right direction this time. I went the right direction. I did this once before I was testing a build. So we'll find it eventually. Yay, it's right over here. So this is a big island. As of right now, I don't have any plans to utilize much of it. It's just for show. You get up, the graphics are so pixelated. It's definitely meant to view from a distance. Anyways. So this is a basic portal, like I said. As time goes on, I will build better portals. Or I might stick with this. Because eventually levels might end up looking something like this a little bit. Wow, take a look at the views from up here. Incredible. Can you see the original portal from here? Portal that got you up here? It's off. I don't think so. As you can see, I'm using a cylinder for the player. I don't know, I might develop a way to get back down. Guys, comment, and then obviously it takes you to this, which is how I get out of the program right now, because I don't have a start menu or anything or level 2 done yet, or even started. But this is the scene that will be used for level 2. But right now it's just a button to get out of the program. So I have a question for you. This is where I'll get the community involved. So with the portal, when you get up to the portal, do you want a way to get back down? Or do you want to do everything before you get up there? I know a lot of games usually have a way to get back down just in case. But I'm thinking about making a point where when you're in a game, you have to keep going forward. You can't just go back. I don't know. Progressing. So yeah, over time we'll figure it out. Things will get hashed out in this game. So this is like a small, short little video. How long have I been? It's already been a 6-minute video. Ooh, that's longer than this basic. Okay. So, yep. Obviously, as I do more progress, I will show you what I've done so far to this game. I think instead of doing like full 30-minute devlogs like I was going to do in this channel, I'm just going to do smaller 6-minute videos like this. Each time I do a beta build to kind of showcase it. So we will see. If you liked this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I've also uploaded a video yesterday to my Fair Wolf Cat channel. It's an Among Us Let's Play. Be sure to check it out as well. I will link that down in the description. Bye!